afternoon here. Give the garage a well-deserved sweep. Yeah, I had a couple of weeks off after Christmas, which was nice. So as you can see, she's back on some wheels. Yeah, I just hadn't seen it on the ground for so long, so I just had to put the wheels back on. And the good thing is she's not leaking oil now. She's back down on the ground. And when I could, I snuck out here and I've kept working on her. I got right down into the rusty panels, and yeah, I've really started working hard on a couple of panels. What's better to get it super polished, or get it, kind of patina'd like that. And yeah, it's kind of cool. I'm not sure yet, so I'm just kind of doing bits and bobs, seeing where we're at. But I digress. Check this out, sneak preview. There's a reason why the windows, that one's fallen down, have been taped up, because I thought I'd spend a bit of time inside. You can't really see it. I'll come in the other way. Oh, let me get those jacks out of the way. Check that out. Hey, what do you reckon? So I've got all 4 Alpha wine glass wheels painted gold, brass. So yeah, pretty happy with that. So now I'm just going to figure out what kind of rubber I'm going to put on it. Obviously as wide as I can get. Still get under the guards. Whoop, nearly tripped over. And then also taking into consideration there's going to be lower. But I have read that you can't go too wide. Not that I want to go too wide anyway, I want it, just right. Those wheels are a bit skinny. But I also want a bit of sidewall. I want to keep a bit of sidewall, because I would like to go that Toyo tyre look. The white writing one. I've always been a fan of the white writing on the right car. But yeah, I've got to figure out what kind of rubber I'm going to put on. Pretty high sidewall, so you've got that, pretty big lettering. And then they're pretty wide enough so when it sits on those beautiful benders, it's just going to look like it's got a stance, right? But still, drivable. Oh. I'm afraid.
Oh, oh, you did it. Yeah, that's good. Yep.
Is this dry?
Oh, yeah, it looks good.
Then you give it the thumbs up. I can't believe I've done it again. You're thinking New Year. I might have remembered a few things. I don't take those wheels off if I haven't loosened them off. Oh God. Oh God. Oh look. I'm not sure if I should look at this for too long. Post-traumatic PTFS, post-traumatic Fiat syndrome. Those were dark days. But, alas, we leave that behind. Yes, it's a new year. Wheels are off. Gotta get that petrol tank out. Probably not today. Gonna lower that back suspension. With that awesome hack from that awesome YouTuber. I'm gonna put his link on the screen, you know what I'm talking about. Pretty happy to be back, guys. Till next time.